Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course share this video. You guys, proud grandfather Mseleku shared a cute picture of his grandson SingaBakho on his Instagram for the very first time, and wow, you guys, the baby boy is a spitting image of his mom Tirelo, and people in the comment section were finally happy to see him after his mother Tirelo only shared maybe a hand or the back of the baby and not the face. And today, you guys, the grandpa shares his picture and captioned it as his name, SingaBakho Mseleku, you guys. Well, and also on the other hand, Mpumelelo's first baby mama Vuyokazi also shared her maternity photo shoot pictures on her Instagram, and this is what she wrote. Isaiah 41 verse 10, I will strengthen you, I will surely help you, I will hold you with my righteous strong hand. Well, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Also like, share, and subscribe. And guys, thank you so much once again for your continuous support. I truly appreciate it. Bye.